Okay, welcome to the Sunday shop update. I've decided to make a door finally for my resin shop. The temperatures started to plummet in the mornings here. It's getting really cold in there. This is certainly not draft proofed at all. So time to make a door. And today I'm going to take you through how I make the mega dominoes for the mortise and tenons. So I've cut a really large mortise with a domino. I'm just going to make a loose tenon that has the same profile as the domino. So I've just got a round over bit in here. Just give that a test fit. That's pretty good. I'm just going to put a few relief joints down the edge, just in case for the glue squeeze out. So pretty easy to replicate with a round over the domino. You can see here. And then I'm just going to use this cutter. The thing about a domino is it has all these relief joints all the way down milled. I'm obviously not going to do that, but you could just use a simple cutter like this in your router. I don't know if it's the world's biggest domino, but it's the biggest domino I'll have ever used. So we'll try that. That's great. Okay, so for the mega domino, and here she is. First cut is going to be middle pin. That's going to be the location from the bottom. I'm going to cut to a full 70. It's a deep cut. So that gives us the distance I want to start the mortise in from the end. Second cut, first one in from the end. And then the last one, to get our just under 125 it's going to be, is this pin here, referencing off the inside here. Double check that before I go too wrong. And that's right. Now I'm not actually going to bang that all the way in because I don't think I'll get it out. It's going to be a very tight fit. So just 4 more of those and we've got ourselves a loose tenon system. Really easy without buying a mortise and tenon machine. Okay, so that wraps it up for this week's Sunday shop update. Thanks as always for all your support and all your kind words. And to my Patreons, I've finally started uploading the more in-depth versions of the builds. Quite a bit longer, and you can hear me talking you through the products and so on. So hopefully that's working out as well. Until the next one, I'll see you later. Bye.